It's morning, and I slept the night away. Hey everyone, it's Age Graceful. So good to see you all. It has been a long time. I know it. It's been a rough summer for me, but we'll talk about that in another video. I'm just so glad to be here today with the beautiful ladies from the BeautyOver40 Makeup Collab group. Today is going to be very different. No makeup today. We're doing our morning skincare routines. It's my 1 year anniversary. I'm excited about that, and I really didn't want to miss this particular video. So I want you to stay tuned and enjoy my video, and please support the other ladies. I'll be leaving their links in the description box of my video. Okay, everyone, I have just brushed my teeth, combed my hair, added my cute little barrettes. They say star. You know I love me some bling. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. You probably are not going to believe what I do for my skincare regimen. It's very, very straightforward and simple. When I was a little girl, we had a playground right next door. So we played in dirt, and my parents bought like Ivory soap and Kaale. I don't even know if they make Kaale. I've seen Ivory every now and then, and that's the only time I remember using soap on my face, you know, because we were taught to, you know, wash our face, brush our teeth, and, you know, take care of our personal hygiene. But as I got older, my skin became sensitive because I could feel it. My skin cannot take the sun. I spend a lot of time in the house, not very much time outside in the summer unless it's very early or late in the evening, because the sun even affects my skin. It's very sensitive. So what I do is very, very simple. So I have a towel here, and it's very hot. Whew. But I like it like that. So what I do is I take a towel, either a white towel or a towel that has a light color to it because of the dyes. My skin can be sensitive to that. And I apply it to my skin like this. Oh my God, does that feel good? When you do this, it opens up. Let me take the towel down so you can hear me. I also apply it to my neck. Oh my God, that feels so good, so good. Behind my ears, because you get oils behind your ears as well that you build up overnight. And this is what I do. It's just a very hot towel to wipe away any oils that may have developed in my skin over the night. What that heat also does, for those who want to, it opens up the pores in your skin to receive any kind of moisturizers that you want to put on. For me, after I do that, especially in the summer, I like to use this Gulsha skin toner. It's made from rose water, and it smells oh so good. When I use this product, it's cool, so it's going to close the pores of my skin so that when I go out, you know, anything in the environment is going to have a hard time getting past these pores. Some people don't realize it, that some of the moisturizers that you use even will open up your pores. And that's how come some people, the reason why some people have large pores. My biggest problem in terms of my skin is probably my forehead. I have on occasion bumps that will develop. There are acne. especially after I do a makeup video. If I put makeup on, my skin is like super sensitive. I really love this Gulsha. Smells so good. If you want to cuddle up with somebody, you can use it in the morning time or the evening time. That's just a tip. Okay, so some products that I like to use after I wear makeup. To remove my makeup, I like to use this Green Clean by Pharmacy. It doesn't take a lot. You might need to use it twice to remove all the makeup from your skin. And then after that, it's very gentle. It's an oil base, and it also moisturizes your face. So you can use a little moisturizer after this if you want to, but you don't have to. The moisturizer is built in to this skin cleanser, and that's why I like it. And this is about $22 at Sephora. You can't get it at Ulta, only Sephora has it. When I do have breakouts, the next product that I like to use is the Clean Biotic by Dr. Brandt, because it has different minerals in it to help calm the acne in your skin and reduce the appearance of the bumps that you have. This works out. It really calms the skin down, and it cleans it. During the cleansing, I should say, when you wash your face with this, let me start over. When you wash your face with this, the ingredients in this product help to calm whatever condition you have going on in your skin. At least it does for me. So I highly recommend this product. And if you want, you can use your favorite moisturizer after that. One of my favorite moisturizers is Elemis. And I'm not sure if I have a smaller bottle of that. I don't. I don't have it available, but Elemis is a very, very good skin moisturizer. I recommend that highly. The Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic is $35 for this size tube. And I'll leave links, well, not links, but I'll leave like a little description of these products up in the top so that you can see them a little bit closer. So for me, that's all I do. Within about an hour in my T-zone, I'm going to develop my own natural oils. And for me, that's what my skin likes as a moisturizer, because my body is producing it. And some people, they say, well, they have oily skin. You know, for the oily skin, to reduce some of that, use a toner, you know, after you cleanse your face to help with the oiliness if you have too much oil. It just happens that I have the right amount, and it really helps to keep my skin nice and toned and pretty firm, I would say, considering my age of 63. I don't think that my skin is like in super bad condition. I don't think it's overly dry. So if you want something very simple, this is what you would do in the morning for your skin. If you have skin that's similar to mine, very sensitive to products, sensitive to sunlight and things like that. You know, you want to keep it as simple as possible. And I'm sure that within watching all of our videos, you might find something or some products that would apply to your situation. Excuse me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from this. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell to get all the notifications. You can get intermittent notifications, but I would prefer if you select all notifications so that you can see all my videos. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Please watch the other ladies' videos. I'll be leaving their channel links in my description. Okay, you guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Love you. Bye.